In this short demo, I'm going to show you the beneficial features that you can get by seamlessly connecting your Nimbox Vault account to your Microsoft Outlook email by installing the Nimbox Vault Outlook plugin. The Outlook plugin will allow you to attach files from your Nimbox Vault folder, electively or automatically, or it can convert files attached from other network or computer sources into Nimbox Vault share links. In addition, it can be configured to only kick in when you are attaching a file larger than the maximum size allowed by your Outlook installation. There are a few prerequisites. The first is that the installation process must be started using a Windows account that has administrative privileges. The second is that you must already have installed the Nimbox Vault agent locally on your machine, as without this the Outlook plugin will not work. Thirdly, make sure that you close your Outlook before starting the install. Let's look at how to download and configure the Outlook plugin. Simply open your web browser and sign in to your Nimbox Vault account. At the top of the screen, click the link to download the Nimbox Vault and you'll be taken to the download page. If you haven't already downloaded the Nimbox Vault agent for Windows, you can find it here. But I already have the Vault agent installed, so I'm going to simply click on the link to download the Outlook plugin. The setup wizard will ask you if you want to run or save the download. I'm going to choose Run. At the prompt, click Yes to authorize the setup wizard to make changes to your device. The setup wizard will automatically start, so simply click Next. You'll need to read and accept the license agreement by clicking the radio button and then clicking Next. Then click Next to select the default install location. Then click Next again to begin the installation. After the installation has completed, click Finish. Now we'll launch Outlook. You'll be asked to sign in to your Vault account. Enter your email and password and then click Next. Next, you'll choose your default share settings. These are standard Nimbox Vault options, so let's go through each in turn. Notify on upload. In standard Nimbox, this property applies to folders, but is not relevant to the Outlook plugin. The Notify on download setting will send you an email notification when the person you shared a file with actually downloads the file. Very useful for knowing when to make that follow-up call. The download limit parameter limits the number of times the person can download the file you shared. You can also expire the share after a specified number of days. Lastly, if Secure Share by default is selected, then the person you shared the file with will be sent an email with guest account credentials, if they aren't already an Nimbox user, in addition to the share link. Then choose how you would like to handle your attachments. There are 3 options available. The default, Automatic. By checking this option and selecting a file size, this means that only attachments bigger than this will be sent via a Nimbox link. This is popular in organisations that have a limit on email file sizes. Let's set this to 10 megabytes. Always. This means that any file you attach to an email, regardless of whether it is in Nimbox Vault, will be shared via Nimbox. Advanced. This is for users who only want to send via Nimbox when they choose to do so. When sharing files from locations other than Nimbox, these will be firstly uploaded to the Nimbox folder you select here. Now click Next, then you're all set. Just click Finish. If at any time you want to revisit these settings, you can access them via the Settings button in your Outlook ribbon. You can check and change any of your share settings or attachment policies as you wish. I'll now show you just how easy it is to use the plugin. Firstly, I'll show you how Nimbox automatically converts your files to Nimbox Vault links when using the standard Outlook Attach File function without you even having to think about it. Then, I'll show you the Nimbox Vault Attach function and explain the additional features that this can provide. Let's look at how Nimbox works with the standard Outlook Attach File function. My demo user, Arthur, wants to send 2 files from his desktop to his colleague, Becky. The Vault settings are set to automatically send files via Nimbox when they are larger than 1 megabyte. I'll create a new email, then click Attach File. One of the files is less than a megabyte and the other is over 40 megabytes. I'm going to select both and click Insert. As you can see, the smaller file has been attached. However, the larger file is going to be uploaded to Nimbox and a link sent to the recipient. Let's finish off the email and click Send. Now I'll just briefly show you the 2 emails received by Becky, the recipient. Here is the email with the message content and smaller of the 2 attachments. The larger attachment has been converted to a secure Nimbox Vault link and I can simply click the link to access the file. Now I'll show you the Vault Attach function and explain the additional features it can provide. You'll notice when composing a new email that the Vault Attach button appears in the ribbon toolbar. Clicking it will give me 2 options, Send a file and Convert to Nimbox Vault file. If I click Send a file, then I can pick files from both my Nimbox Vault files and Team shares, plus I can attach files from any other location on my computer or network drives and they will automatically be converted to Nimbox Vault links. I also have the ability to override my default sharing settings for this email only without having to permanently change my settings. I'll now show you the beauty of the Convert to Nimbox Vault file function. I'm going to copy this file from my desktop and then paste it into a new email. I'll then click Attach, followed by Convert to Nimbox Vault file, and now my file will be converted to a Vault attachment. Hopefully this demo has given you a good overview of all the great features of the Nimbox Vault Outlook plugin. Happy Nimboxing!